What's up, guys? Richard with Native Ways. We're back with another video. Got Canyon, and it's 3:30 and we're headed to the duck hole. We had a really good hunt yesterday, a lot of widgeon, so we're hoping we can kind of maybe replicate it this morning. Meeting Dad and Christian over here. Got Newt in the back. It's gonna be his first hunt, so hopefully things go good with him. He's just a year old, so hoping he does well today. Hopefully we can get him on some birds, but I think it's gonna be a good one. Just got to this tank, getting everything ready to go. About to walk down there. Hey, Newt, that's it. Somebody's decided. Somebody shot a boy, huh? Hey. Oh, somebody shot a boy. Let's see how it goes.
Slight northeast wind, nothing crazy. Probably not going to affect much on the way they work, but we made a couple pods. Got the jerk rig on this side, going to put a couple pulsators. This side will have the kicker. Just separate them a little bit so they look a little more natural. But going to have them land in these little reed stick-ups right here. Probably 2 foot of water, and I hope they do it good. Either way, like I said, not much wind at all, but they're gonna do what they want to do.
For the blind today, took some big sticks, kind of crossed them, jabbed some stuff on the ground, and propping it up, brushing it in with cedar and salt willows. Got natural backing with this dam behind us, and then natural growing salt willows. We're gonna finish this end. Dog blind's gonna go here, leave the door right here, and I'm gonna brush around him. We'll be pretty bueno in here, but we'll see. You gonna tell us a campfire story, sir? No. How about you? What are you thinking?
I think that we're in the blind at perfect time, and here in about 10 minutes I'm gonna go turn on the motion decoys, and then it's time to play the game.
What about you down there? What about y'all?
Time to play the game. It's a little sweaty.
Sorry, I didn't even see you down there. Shoot that one on the water. Oh, that one's a stud. That one on the right is a stud. Good boy. Hunt's been pretty slow all morning, but we just had some pretty cool stuff happen here. Had a big wad of widgeon come in, and they kind of dropped quite a few, but we got a pretty special bird out of them. Let's see him. That's a pretty stud of a widgeon. There he is. What that is?
That's a pretty small dog.
It's partly there.
Yeah. See that one? Yo. Couple old drakes, huh? Good hen too.
Somebody who shot the hen. All right, who's using the duck choke?
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Hold that bird up, Canyon.
Just take some
Storm widgeon is rare, estimated to occur in 1 out of every 500 to 1,000 widgeon.
Okay. He said maybe so.
So we're sitting here. Richard's out of the blind like normal, and working around with the dog a little bit. We had some widgeon buzz right over the top of us. Try to get the dog in the blind. Richard gets in the blind, gets on the camera as quick as he can. They make one loop, come straight into the decoys, exactly where we wanted. And we called the shot, laid into him, got out there. You could tell they were all good drakes and one hen, and even the hen was good. But seeing them floating on the water, I just knew that they were all good. But look at one to the left. Looks like it had quite a bit of white on it, on its face. You know, Richard's like, looks like a storm widgeon. And I'm walking out to it, and the closer I get, the more excited I'm getting. I pick it up and just start freaking out. And thankfully, Willie put the clap down on him.
What do you think down there?
I think it's good times, boy. You shoot any duck, it's a good time. Just being here is a good time.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
So I ended up doing pretty good. Got some stud widgeon. Got a ring neck, you know, another widgeon as well. But I mean, this is the prize right here for sure. All of these ducks are extremely mature. Willie ended up getting him a good storm widgeon, so I'm gonna get on the wall. And all in all, it's well worth the hunt, worth the time, worth the effort. They did it right, and we made sure to capitalize on that. But all in all, good hunt. Y'all keep living your hobbies.